Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will do modeling of tutorial number 91. And here I have made this isometric drawing into the 3D model with the help of FreeCAD part design workbench. And this is the very simple part designed for the beginner user, those who have just started learning the part modeling in FreeCAD. So I will show you from the scratch how you can model this part in FreeCAD. So I will close this file and create a new file. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here. If you like my method of teaching, then please support me on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I will provide my website and my Ko-Fi donation page link in a video descriptions. So let's come back to our tutorial. So here I have created a new file, and first thing which I will insert is a body, and then we will create our base sketch. So first we will on the origin plane, and we will select this top plane and click on the sketch. We will go to the model tab and hide the origin plane. And now first thing which we will do is to create a base rectangular profile, and now we will constrain it with a dimension. So this is the 92, and vertical is of 38. Our sketch is fully constrained. Now we will come out of the sketch, and we will extrude it to the distance of 13 mm. So extrude it and view here 13 mm. Click on OK. And now we will create a datum plane from this face. So here is the distance 73. So press 0 for isometric and select this face and click here datum plane, and in a Z direction provide the value 73, and here change the sign from plus to minus so that my direction of a plane will be get reverse. Click on OK. Now click on rebuild. Now select the datum plane and click on the sketch and press the isometric view, and we will select this edge and project it. And now we will switch to the right plane, and from here we will switch to the wireframe. And now we will create this profile on this plane. So first thing which we do is to create a line, and then we will select a 3-point arc, and this arc value is of 75. And then we will move this point, and we will select a line tool, draw the vertical line and then horizontal line, and connect these two. Now we will select this and give it vertical. Now select this line and give the vertical dimension of 116. Select a horizontal dimension, give 104, and select vertical dimension and give it 41. Now our sketch is fully constrained. We will come out of it and select the sketch, click on extrude and switch to the shaded view, and here we will give the 10 mm. Click on OK. Now press the space bar and hide the datum plane and switch to shaded view. Now here these two plates are the merge, but in our case it is not. So select the pad and set the refine condition true. So you can see that now it has been merged. Now we will create this rip. So this is as a 16 mm from this face. So we will select this face and click on the datum plane, and in a Z direction we will provide the value 60 mm, but we want our plane in opposite direction, so we will make it minus. Now press 0 for isometric and click on OK. And now we will create this triangular profile on this datum plane. So here is a blue tick, so press F5 to refresh it. Now select the datum plane and click on the sketch. Now go to the model tab, press the space bar and hide the datum plane. Now click on project geometry, project this horizontal and vertical, and from here switch to the wireframe, and we will create a triangular profile. We will select this vertical line and give it 63, and angle we will give it 45. Select this to this and give it 45. Now we will close it and switch to shaded view. And now if you see that here is some issue with our base feature. So here it is 9238, it's okay. Now we have inserted this datum plane. So here it is a 13 mm to the opposite side. So we will click on edit and we will click on reverse, and it is a 13 mm. Click on OK. So you can see that FreeCAD is parametric in nature. That's why you can see that our triangle is get modified. Now select the sketch and click on the pad, and this is of a 6 mm, and from here select the reverse, because we have inserted the plane at 16 and this 6 mm. Click on OK. Now press 0 for isometric. Now we will create this slot. So we will select this face and click on the sketch, and here you will get a slot option, and now we will project this horizontal and vertical edge. This is horizontal and vertical, and radius is of a 6.5. so select radius and give it 6.5, and now select a horizontal dimension and give it 28. Select horizontal, from center to center is of a 50, and now select the vertical, and from this point to this point is of a 22. Now move this dimension. Now close it, select the sketch, click on extrude cut, and from here say it true all, say OK. Now the last feature, which is this cut. So we will select this face and click on the sketch, click on project geometry and project this edge, create a rectangle, and select vertical dimension and give it 13 mm, and select horizontal and give it 4 mm and select a vertical dimension from here to here it is of 15.5. Now move it, click on close, select the sketch, click on extrude cut, and from here say it true or say OK. Now we will give the approximate color as per our drawing, and we have model all the features. And now select this pocket and refine is false, set it true. So now you can see that it is a perfect as per our isometric drawing. Press 0 for isometric and select the last features and go to the appearances sections and select here the shape color, and we will provide some approximate color. Let's go to the appearances and move this pointer, click on OK. So you can see that we have exactly modeled this part in FreeCAD with the help of a part design workbench. I hope you have enjoyed this very simple tutorial, and this tutorial is designed for the beginner user, those who have just started learning the part modeling in FreeCAD. If you have liked this tutorial, then please like, subscribe and share my channel, and also support me on ko-fi.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. Link is given in a video description. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.